Hello friends, I am Kranti here. Today I am going to discuss about a topic circles, which is chapter 10 in your 10th standard. So this chapter is a part of geometry for 15 marks which you will get in board examination. So students should practice thoroughly if you want to score better marks in coming board examinations. So coming into this chapter starts with stating the definition of circle, which was studied in class 9th. So students, you already studied about topic circles in your 9th standard. Now this is the extension topic. You are going to learn some new techniques in this chapter. So the chapter moves on to explain the secant and tangent of the circle. So basically circle have secant and tangent, so how they are intersecting and what type of properties it is holding. So basic things you will learn in this chapter. And further moving on to the first section, discuss the topic tangent to a circle. This section is explained with the help of two activities followed by the theorem. Then the tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. By using a theorem, you are going to make a new concept, and by using that concept you are going to do the exercise 10.1. so a few remarks are mentioned at the end of this section which should not be ignored. So student, you should not ignore these point, okay? And exercise 10.1, this is a brief exercise containing 4 questions. There are mainly 4 questions in this exercise. You need to practice thoroughly because you might get a question in board examination. And moving further, the next section is about the number of tangents from a point on a circle. 3 different cases are discussed in this section, and later the theorem that related to the length of tangents from an external point to a circle is explained. So students, 3 different cases are discussed in this section, so you need to practice a lot for these 3 different cases, okay? Then by using these cases you are going to solve exercise 10.2. in this exercise the first 3 questions are multiple choice questions with one correct answer. Then after that few questions are based on proving the given statement. So by using a given statement you have to prove these questions, okay students? Basically this is a very small chapter, but it is a part of geometry, right? You might get a question from this chapter in board examinations. If you go through the pro forma given by the government, they are mentioning 15 marks for the geometry only. So for to get 15 marks you have to choose whether to practice this chapter or not. If you opt this chapter, there are only 2 exercises you need to practice. If you practice these 2 exercises, definitely you will score some marks from geometry part, okay students? Finally the conclusion of chapter is given in 3 points. So what are the formulas present in this chapter, you are going to learn in the conclusion of the chapter. So please make a notes and try to practice a lot for these formulas. Why? Because formulas are backbone for your mathematics. Without formula you cannot do a single problem in your mathematics subjects. That's my humble suggestion to you, okay students? Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.